Hello students, welcome to physics class of plus 1. We are doing chapter Uniformly Accelerated Motion. The objective of today's topic is to study about different parameters of motion. And the topics which we are going to discuss are distance and displacement and speed and velocity. So let's start our topic. Distance. The distance is the length of the total path covered by the particle in a certain time without considering direction. Like we can see the movement of this insect. This is covering the distance from the point A and B randomly. The SI unit of distance is meter and its dimensional formula is 1 in L, 0 in M and 0 in time. Now next is displacement. Shortest distance between the initial and final position is called displacement. For example, we are having initial point and second final point. So this red dot represents the distance, okay, like we have seen in the previous slide, and the shortest distance between initial and final point is called displacement. SI unit of displacement is meter. So SI unit of distance and displacement are meter. So both are having the same SI unit. Also its dimensional formula is 1 in L, 0 in M and 0 in time. So unit and dimension formula for displacement and distance both are same. The only difference between distance and displacement is that distance is a scalar quantity whereas displacement is a vector quantity, and we have already discussed about scalar and vector quantities. This is another example to understand about displacement and distance. So this is the total path covered by the body, which is called distance, and here it is 70 km, and distance between initial and final position is displacement. Its value is 14 km. So now let's see the difference between distance and displacement. The first difference is distance is the length of the path traveled by a body while moving from initial position to final position. So it is the total length of the path, whereas displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of the body. Second very important difference is distance is scalar quantity whereas displacement is a vector quantity. Distance measured is always positive, whereas displacement can be positive or negative depending upon the reference point. Fourth point says the total distance covered is equal to the algebraic sum of all the distances travelled in different directions. On the other hand, the net displacement is the vector sum of the individual displacements in different directions. And fifth point says there is always a distance covered whenever there is a motion, whereas in case of displacement will be 0 if the body comes back to its initial position. So displacement can be 0 also. We can see in the same example. Now this is the total distance traveled by the body, right, and its value is 80 km. But as the initial and final positions are same, therefore displacement is 0 km. Next is speed. The rate of change of distance with respect to time is called speed, and speed is equal to distance divided by time. SI unit of speed is meter per second, as for the distance it is meter and for time it is second. So SI unit for distance is meter per second. Dimensional formula for speed is 0 in M, 1 in L and minus 1 in time. Next is velocity. The rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called velocity. So here the only difference between speed and velocity is that speed is scalar quantity whereas velocity is vector quantity. So formula for speed and velocity both are same. Speed is equal to distance upon time whereas velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Therefore SI unit of velocity is also meter per second, and dimensional formula is also 0 in M, 1 in L and minus 1 in time. Next is uniform velocity. Students, If a body covers equal displacement in equal interval of time, then the velocity is said to be uniform velocity. So, if a body is covering at every second 1 meter, it means that it is moving uniformly. So, such kind of velocity is called uniform velocity. Next is average velocity. The ratio of total displacement to the total time interval during which the displacement occurs is called average velocity. For example, here you can see a body starting from this point and it finishes the distance at this point. So the total distance traveled by a body is 100 plus 75 plus 40 plus 25 plus 60. But the displacement is distance between initial and final position, that is 30 meter. Therefore, here total displacement is 30 meter. So let us suppose time taken by the body is 10 seconds. So average velocity will be total displacement divided by total time. We are not going to take total distance. On the other hand, we are going to take total displacement, which is only 30 meter, divided by 10 seconds. So answer will be 3 meter per second. So this is called average velocity. Next is instantaneous velocity. Students, the velocity of a body at any instant of time is called instantaneous velocity. So speedometer is used to measure instantaneous velocity or instantaneous speed. So let's see the difference between speed and velocity. The first difference, it is defined as the rate of change of distance, whereas velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. Point number 2, it is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity is vector quantity. It can never be zero. Yes, speed cannot be zero, whereas velocity can be negative, 0 or positive. Next point says speed is velocity without direction. So basically speed is also velocity but without direction, since it is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity is directed speed. So if we are giving direction to speed, it becomes velocity. Next point says speed may or may not be equal to velocity. A body may possesses different velocities but same speed. So this is the difference between speed and velocity. Now let's discuss some of the questions. Question number 1, distance traveled by a body cannot be negative. Why? Question number 2, give an example of body for which there is change of position but displacement is 0. Next question, distinguish between distance and displacement. Question number 4, a body is moving along a circular path. When it completes one rotation, what is number 1, the distance traveled, and number 2, the displacement of the body. Next question, speed of a body can never be negative. Why? Can a body have constant speed but a varying velocity? And the last question is, define uniform velocity, average velocity and instantaneous velocity. That's the end of the topic. Thank you.